Hello friends, in the last video we have discussed about the common name system of ketone. Now today we are going to discuss about the IUPAC nomenclature of ketones. This is divided into some categories. First of all, we are going to discuss the IUPAC nomenclature for aliphatic saturated ketone. It means those ketones that contain aliphatic carbon chain and contain single bond. So the example like CS3 C double bond O CS. For such type of structure, the rule is they are the derivative of corresponding alkane. It means their IUPAC name is obtained from the name of corresponding alkane by replacing ending E of corresponding alkane by adding O and E. By replacing ending E of corresponding alkane by adding O and E. Therefore, they are considered as corresponding alkane. They are considered as corresponding alkane. It means the IUPAC name of ketone is obtained from the name of corresponding alkane by replacing ending E of corresponding alkane by adding O and E. We get alkane. For example, in this type of structure, how many carbon is there? 3, 1, 2, 3. The respective alkane is propane. By replacing ending E, only remaining propan. By adding O and E, the IUPAC name of the structure is obtained. This is a propanone, the first aliphatic saturated ketone, the smallest aliphatic saturated ketone, that is CS3COCS3, IUPAC name, that is propanone. The IUPAC name for this structure is propanone. After this structure, for example, CS3COCS2CS3. In this type of structure, we want to select first the longest carbon chain, like this. And then we have to number the carbon chain, that carbon chain, from that end which is more nearer to the C double bond. So this end is more nearer than this end, because from this end C double bond is located at second carbon, and from this end C double bond is located at third carbon. Therefore, after selection of long chain, the numbering of carbon chain is done like this. So after that, write the name of corresponding alkane. For example, how many carbon in the chain? 4. Therefore, respective alkane is butane. Then write the position of C double bond. Where is the C double bond is located? At the second carbon. 2. And for C double bond O, we add O and E. There is a small difference. For the higher member of ketone, their position of C double bond O right before O and E. It means number of position of C double bond, that is right before O and E. After this, the example like CS3 CS2 C double bond O CS2 CS3. Again, select the longest continuous chain from the structure. This is the longest continuous chain. There is no any other option. Then number the carbon chain from that end which is more nearer to the C double bond O. From this carbon 1, 2, 3. From this carbon 1, 2, 3. You can number it from any other side. All are the similar. How many carbon in the carbon chain? 5. Therefore, respective alkane, pentane. Because we know that what is the rule? Write the position of C double bond before O and E by replacing ending E. Therefore, 5 carbon pentane. E is replaced from the pentane. Then after, position of C double bond. Where is C double bond is located? At third carbon. And for ketone, C double bond, we add ON. What is the IUPAC name for this structure? Pentane 3 ON. It means the simple rule are the IUPAC name of ketone is obtained from the name of corresponding alkane by replacing ending E of alkane by adding ONE. Therefore, they are considered as alkyl. But small difference or higher number of aliphatic saturated ketone, the position of C double bond to right before ONE. Therefore, after alkane, write the position of C double bond, then write the word ON. For example, CS3, CS3, C double bond to CS3. Again, for this structure, this is the longest continuous chain of carbon. Then we have to number the carbon chain. Already the carbon chain number from that end, because this end contain second carbon which is attached with the oxygen. That is the carbonyl group present at the second carbon, and from this 1, 2, 3 that is located from the third carbon. Therefore, this is the correct way for the number. So after writing, firstly, if any other chain present or any other side chain present, any other alkyl group present in the structure, write the at starting where is the CS3 group present at third carbon 3. CS3 it means methyl. Third contain methyl. Then after how many total carbon in the chain? 4. Therefore, corresponding alkane butane. Then after write the position of C double bond. Where is C double bond is located at second, and for C double bond ON 3 methyl butane to ON. Let us again consider another example. CS3 C double bond CH3 CS3. In this structure, this is also longest chain of carbon. Numbering from any other end, because from this end the C double bond present at the third carbon, and from this end also, here also second carbon contain 1 methyl, here also second carbon contain 1 methyl. Therefore, you can number from any other end in this way 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Total number of carbon is there 5, because corresponding alkane is pentane. So write the position first. Position for methyl group. Where are the methyl present? At second and fourth. 2, 4. There are 2 similar methyl. Therefore, we write here 2, 4 dimethyl. How many carbon is there? 5. So respective alkane pentane. And here is the C double bond is located at the third carbon. Therefore, it is 2, 4 dimethyl pentane 3 ON. Again, some example. CS3, 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 C double bond 4, CS3, CS3. For this structure, we want to select first. We know that the first rule is to select the longest chain for higher length. This is the longest continuous chain of carbon that includes C double bond. That is must in the chain. After this, number the carbon chain. From this end, the C double bond present at the third carbon, and from this end also at the third carbon. From this end, second carbon contain 2 methyl, and from this end, second carbon contain 1 methyl. So preference given to this carbon because second carbon contain 2 methyl. Therefore, numbering from the direction 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write the position of the side chain present in the structure. Firstly, in the writing the name, where are the methyl present? This methyl at second. Again, this methyl at second. 2, 2. Again, add number 4. 2, 2, 4. 2, comma 2, comma 4. Then after, how many they are? 3. Therefore, try. Which are they? Methyl, trimethyl. Then the name of corresponding alkane. How many carbon atoms in the carbon chain? 5. Therefore, respective alkane, pentane, because we replace ending E by ON, pentane. But before that ONE, we want to write the position of C double bond. Here the C double bond is given at third carbon and at ending ON. Therefore, complete name 2,2,4 trimethyl pentane 3 ON. This is about the aliphatic saturated ketone that contain only a single bond. Then after, second category is aliphatic unsaturated ketone. It means the ketone contains the aliphatic carbon chain, but it includes unsaturation like double bond or somewhere triple bond. Unsaturated ketone. For this naming, only the change is that these are the derivative of corresponding alkene. For example, CH2 double bond CH, C double bond CS3. This is our first example. First, we want to select the longest continuous chain of carbon, similarly as like the previous structure. And this also. Then we want to give the number from that carbon for the carbon chain from that end which is more nearer to the C double bond, like the previous structure. In this also. From this carbon 1, 2, 3, C double bond located at third carbon, and from this second. So therefore, this is the way of numbering. So write then, how many carbon atoms in the chain? 4. Therefore, respective alkene butene. So only we write here but, because we want to write again the position of double bond separately. Where the double bond is located? At third carbon. 3 for a double bond En, because from En we already replace E for On. So how many carbon in the chain? 4. What we write? But. Where the double bond is located? Third carbon, because after the parent structure, write the position of double bond first. But 3 for double bond En, and where the C double bond is located? At the second carbon. So 2. And for C double bond ON, the simple example, write the name of parent structure first. If 4 carbon but, 5 carbon pent, then number the carbon chain in such a way that the lowest possible number to the C double bond. Here C double bond carbonyl group only consider. Double bond is not considered. Only C double bond. Therefore, position of double bond 3 double bond En, where C double bond is located at second carbon. Therefore 2, and for C double bond we know that On. Then after this structure is like that. If this structure of ketone, this is unsaturated ketone. Why? Because contain double bond. And why ketone? Because contains C double bond. The first is select the longest chain. We have to select. Then after number the carbon chain that prefer this C double bond in the number. So from this numbering we can done, because from this end C double bond to add only second, and from this end it is far away. Therefore, if any side chain, write the position name of the side chain first. Where is the side chain? At fourth carbon. Which is the side chain? CS3. Therefore, write the name of CS3. Methyl. How many carbon? Total carbon in the chain? 4 and 5. 5 carbon in the chain. Therefore, respective corresponding structure of pentene. But for writing only pent. Because position of double bond right after the parent. Where is the double bond is located at third carbon. For double bond En, and here is your C double bond, that is ON is located at second carbon. So therefore 2, and for C double bond ON. What is the complete name? 4 methyl pent 3 En 2 ON. That is about the aliphatic unsaturated ketone. Now the third category. for this IUPAC naming of the ketone is aromatic ketone that include all saturated and unsaturated structure. Which type of ketone? Aromatic ketone. It means the ketone that contain one or more benzene ring in their structure. Those ketone called as aromatic ketone. The structure that contain one or more benzene or aromatic structure in their structure, that is aromatic ketone. For example, the first example is benzene attached with C double bond of CS3. The popular name of the structure is, it is commonly also called as acetophenone. This acetophenone is also a common name, also IUPAC name for this structure. But with acetophenone, another name is also used to that structure. In this structure, this phenyl group is considered as substituent to this carbon chain. This carbon chain structure is not substituent to the ethene, but phenyl is substituent to this carbon chain. So select the carbon chain, this contains 2 carbon. Number the carbon chain from the C double bond which is more nearer. So obviously it is number from this end. So that first carbon attached with this group called as phenyl. So at first one contain phenyl, and remaining 2 carbon, that is ethane. 1, 2, ethane. And where is C double bond represent at first? Ethane, 1, ONE. 1 contain phenyl, 1 phenyl. How many total carbon is there? 2 in the chain. Therefore, ethane. Where is C double bond is located at? First carbon 1 and attending ON. The another aromatic ketone for this structure, if 2 benzene rings are attached with C double bond from both sides, we know that it is called as benzophenone in common name system. We already discussed. But in IUPAC system, this is the 1 carbon, therefore the derivative of methanol. Again, that contain 1 carbon related to methane. Ending E of methane is replaced by ON, therefore it is methanol. But methanol 1 carbon attached with how many phenyl group? 2 phenyl group. Therefore it is called as diphenyl methanol. Only a single carbon is present. Therefore no need for numbering or no need for the fixing the position of these 2 phenyl. Therefore it is only a diphenyl methanol. No need of any numbering because only single carbon is there. Again, if the structure is like that, for aromatic ketone, a benzene ring attached with C double bond CH2 CH3. We know that in the structure also, benzene, that is phenyl group, is substituted to this carbon chain. This is the carbon chain in the structure. This overall chain with C double bond is not substituted to the benzene. Therefore, if selecting this carbon long chain, then we want to number this carbon chain from obviously this end, because C double bond only at first carbon, which is more near. And on another side, it is attached with phenyl also. Therefore, write the position of which is this group phenyl. Where the phenyl attached? First carbon contain phenyl. 1 phenyl. How many total carbon in the structure? 3. The number of carbon is more, therefore it is only propane. 1 contain phenyl. 3 carbon in the chain, therefore propane. And here is the C double bond is located at first carbon, therefore it is again 1 phenyl propane 1 ON. The next example is From such type of the aromatic structure, this is the benzene ring attached with CH2, then attached with C double bond, which is attached with CS. For this structure, obviously, this is the carbon chain. Numbering from this end or this end, it is this carbonyl carbon far away from this carbon, that is at the second carbon. From this end also, it is also at the second carbon. There are types, but at first carbon, these phenyl groups are attached. Here, first carbon, there is no any other phenyl group attached. Therefore, preference given to this carbon because it is far away from two carbon from the carbonyl carbon, but it also contains a phenyl. Therefore, numbering from this end. So, at one carbon of that respective structure, phenyl group is attached. Therefore, it is one phenyl. How many carbon total in the chain? 3 carbon. 1, 2, 3. Therefore, respective alkane, propane. Where is the C double bond O group is located at? Second carbon. And for C double bond is 2 ON. This is about the IUPAC nomenclature of some aliphatic ketones, saturated ketone, some aliphatic unsaturated ketone, and some the aromatic ketone. Now, please like, subscribe our channel.